We've all seen these inconsistent results, but achieving true character consistency is crucial for building believable AI narratives.
Most people can generate a beautiful AI image once, but creating the same character again, from different angles, different outfits, different emotions, and different environments, that is where almost everyone fails. Character consistency is not luck, it is structure. The biggest mistake beginners make is constantly changing the prompt too much. One small change in lighting, camera type, face description, or styling can completely change the identity of the character. The secret is learning how to lock the core identity first: the face shape, the eyes, the hairstyle, the skin texture, the age range, the fashion style, the lighting personality. Once those stay consistent, everything else becomes easier. Professional creators do not describe random images. They build visual systems. That means every image is connected to the previous one. The same character inside different scenes, the same cinematic feeling with different emotions, the same visual DNA across the entire project. This is why movies, fashion campaigns, and luxury brands feel cohesive. Consistency creates trust, and trust creates emotional connection. Another important thing is understanding controlled variation. You do not want every image to look identical. That feels artificial. Instead, you want natural evolution, different poses, different camera angles, different expressions, different environments, but the same person. That balance is what makes AI characters feel believable. And once you truly understand consistency, your content stops looking like random AI generations and starts feeling like a real cinematic universe.